Hello ladies and gents, and welcome to this weekly announcement for our English 235 class. We are in week 7. Can you believe it? It's so exciting. All right, so this week we are working on our topic proposal memorandum for the recommendation report. That was such a big mouthful, right? So basically you're writing a memo that's going to tell people what topic you're going to do for your recommendation report. That's all we're doing. So we've got some great reading in our Markle text on writing proposals. This will walk you through the formatting, some of the history behind proposals, and why they're a form of writing that we keep seeing perpetuate in the business and working world. We've also got some reading on researching your subject. If you're having a hard time finding research, this is a great place to start. You can also reach out to our CBC librarians because they are amazing. So if you go to our CBC website and just /library is the fastest way to get there. Welcome to the library page. Here it is. If you can't find stuff you're looking for because our memo includes an annotated bibliography aspect, click on this Get Help button and you can get help. That's amazing. You can chat with the librarian in this dialog box 24/7. Folks are available. It's awesome. You can email the librarians. You can call the librarians. Or you can request a meeting. You can actually have a Zoom meeting with one of our CBC librarians and they will help you find the stuff you need for this assignment. Freaking amazing. These guys are awesome. You have to have a master's degree at least in library science to get a job like these guys have. They have a phenomenal amount of knowledge and information. When I'm writing, I still go get help from the CBC librarians, even though I teach writing professionally. And I've had many professional articles published, and I go on speaking circuits sometimes at national conferences about writing. I still go get help from the CBC librarians because what will take me an hour to find on the databases will take them 5 minutes to find on the databases. They're that good. So if you have any trouble at all finding material for your topic, go to the librarians. I cannot say it enough. They're amazing. They will knock your socks off. They're so wonderful. And if you are especially lucky, you might get to work with Molly Mooney, who is the librarian who works most closely with the English department. And when I grow up, I want to be as cool as Molly. Like sometimes she has rainbow hair and she has dresses with cats on them. She is my favorite person. So if you need anything from the librarians, they're the best. So check it out. And then you're going to be working on your topic proposal. And we are going to have a peer review for this memo because it is a large document. And so I want to make sure you get another set of eyes on it to help you out. Because the proposal does have a lot of components, we're just going to look through it here real quick. So in the proposal, you're going to format it like a memo. You're going to tell us a couple different things. And it's also going to have an annotated bibliography as a part of it. So if you go into the modules tab, which is a great place to go, you will see that we've got some helpful materials here. There we go. The proposal for the recommendation report. I've got a whole recorded lecture on how to do this. So watch it. It will help you out. And it walks you through exactly what the recommendation report is looking for so that you can compose a memo that matches perfectly. And then here's the memo instructions. Here's a Prezi from the library. Molly put it together for us, and it shows how to find sources. If that's not enough, though, schedule an appointment with the librarians, talk to them through that dialog box. They're awesome. Here is the template. Follow the template. It will help you out a lot. And here is a recorded lecture on how to do an annotated bibliography. I know you have to listen to my voice drone on and on in these videos a lot, but this video in particular will be very helpful in creating your annotated bibliography because annotated bibliographies follow a very set and specific form. In APA format as well as MLA format. We're doing APA here, but you may have been asked to do it in MLA in the past. This annotated bibliography, very specific form, very specific style we're looking for. So please watch the video. It will help you out so very much. And it will also talk about how to find sources on the CBC library databases. So lots of very helpful material here. So please check that out before you start writing your memo. And that memo will be peer reviewed on Friday, and you'll be turning in the final draft on Sunday. So lots of fun stuff coming our way. As always, if you have any questions, reach out, let me know. Otherwise, use the excellent resources in our modules folder to guide you. These will take you where you need to go and help you be successful. So please, please, please use them. That is my final plea. I hope you guys have a great week. Reach out with any questions. I'm here to help.